Hi guys, it's Jessalyn Marie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something extra special because I'm going to be recreating a makeup look that I haven't done in like 4 or 5 years, which is absolutely insane to think about me doing makeup for that long. But me and my stepsister used to do each other's makeup all the time, and I would constantly do the same butterfly wing eye look on her. You can see that doesn't really look like a butterfly wing, and I've definitely improved since then. So now I'm going to recreate it and hope that it turns out, so stay tuned. You can follow me on Twitter at JessalynMarie1, Instagram at JessalynMarieB, and my Snapchat is Jessalyn1001. I'm going to start off by taking my Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Primer and just apply this all over my lid. I'm going to start off by going in with this teal shade in my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take a brush that looks similar to a Morphe M443 brush that I got off Ipsy. And I'm just going to apply this right up here, and it'll help to blend stuff out. Now I'm going to go in with my James Charles palette and take the shade Playground with an actual Morphe M443. It's kind of dirty, but I'm on a budget, so I can't buy more. I'm just going to apply that right underneath. I'm going to dip back into my Jaclyn Hill palette to really help blend these two together. I'm going to dip back into my James Charles palette and go in with the shade Cola and apply that right underneath. Okay, so little tip, don't use primer because the primer has made these shades so hard to blend out. Like, this is crazy. They should never have to take this long to blend it out. Okay, so now that this is looking how I want it to, I'm going to dip my Morphe M456 brush into the shade Playground from the James Charles palette. I'm going to take that and I'm just going to apply it on my under eye. Then I'm going to dip into the shade Cola and apply that right here to help deepen that. I'm going to take this NYX liquid liner and I'm going to apply this right here with some black eyeliner. I'm going to draw out a butterfly wing. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust, and that's what I'm going to use to cut my crease. Okay, so that's looking a whole lot prettier and definitely matches the whole butterfly vibe a lot more than just the blue did. So I also have glitter all over my arm now because I was cleaning off the applicator thing. My Morphe M443 brush, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Cola again. And since this is darker, I'm gonna apply it right along the edge of the butterfly wing. Really make sure to pack the shadow in for more pigment. So next, I'm gonna dip into the shade Brother. I'm gonna take this to help transition into a lighter shade. Then I'm going to take the shade Playground and blend that out, really making sure not to get it out of the lines. I'm going to go ahead and go over everything again with the black eyeliner to really help make it darker. Next, I'm going to take a NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner in purple. Next, I'm going to use the NYX Vivid Brights in yellow, because that'll really help it pop more. I'm going to go back in with the purple. I feel like it's missing something, so I'm going to draw like a nice little design right here. I'm going to use my NYX Silver Eyeliner again and just add a little bit of glitter here and there. I'm actually going to use my Stilo one because that one isn't enough glitter. So I'm going to take my Morphe M251. Okay, so I'm really happy with how this turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so everything is almost done. I have one more finishing touch. I'm going to add some jewels to the inner corners of my eyes. I think I'm going to add one right here as well. And one right here. Okay, my look is all complete. I hope you enjoyed watching, and yeah. Don't forget you can follow me on Twitter at JesslynMarie1, Instagram at JesslynMarieB, and my Snapchat is Jesslyn1001. Make sure to subscribe and like.